So the panic has started to set in a little bit. I've had to take some time away from working on prep and come and have a little bit of an early Christmas with the family out in central western New South Wales. But that long list of things that needs to get done is not getting done. But anyway, we'll get there, I guess. The problem will be there's also the Christmas New Year shutdown, so trying to get anything is going to be a bit difficult, but hopefully we'll get there. But yeah, we'll just enjoy the time in the countryside for the meantime. So yeah, with all this stuff going on, I really don't need anything to go wrong for me. I just don't have time to, fix stuff or anything like that. Lots of stuff to still do in the camper before we jet off. I guess the plan is I have to leave on the 20th or 21st because I hand the keys back to my rental in Sydney on the 20th or 21st, one or the other. But there's a heap of stuff to do. All the trims on the outside, pop top roof needs to be built and put on. The canvas for the pop top roof needs to be sewn and put on. All the doors need to be put on, so there's aluminium extrusion that needs to go around all the doors. Doors need to be hung, the locks need to be put in the doors. I've got to get legs for the camper. I've got to work out a way of attaching the legs. I've got to attach an awning and work out how I'm going to attach that. So yeah, there's a lot going on at the moment, and hopefully we can just push through and get it all done. Look, really don't have a choice. Look, worst case scenario is some of this stuff I can probably do on the road, as long as the majority of the stuff gets done. Things like the awning, shower awning and the awning, I can probably do those on the road, but yeah, the rest of it, the body of the camper itself needs to get done. So yeah, fingers crossed we get there.